Hello everyone, Paul here from the gray-haired shop, as Gerry would call us. Just took out another 3 hours or so. We got the 68 GMC up on the hoist now. We've basically got it welded on the front and on the back, and we got the floor now flipped the right side up. So when you saw us painting the gold floor, the pictures of it, that's underneath the truck. So this is the top part of the truck. So we're just lining things up. We're gonna wait. I have to do my next job by myself there. I'm gonna cut the floor out. So I'll use my plasma cam and get the floor cut out. And then we're gonna start fitting the new floor in. Gerry said don't zoom up too close to my rockers and that. He says because your welds suck. So, which is true. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not very good at doing sheet metal. It's an art. It really is. So, I mean, thicker stuff no problem, but the thin stuff is kind of. I blow through it a lot, even though I have everything lined up. So there's where we're at. So Gerry and I got it to this point. We can go up and down, and until my wife's little Chevy short box sells, we can park it underneath, or we can put it back there, park it beside your Corvette. Got the quad under cover there. So anyhow, I'm pretty excited about this. So next stage. So maybe I'll show you a quick thing of underneath the floor. What we did is we put base coat, 2 coats of base coat, and then a couple coats of clear. And if you look, it's got that gold under there, but it looks factory. It looks like, because the clear we used was a different clear, and the wind picked up and it started getting colder. So it kind of gave it just a very, very slight rougher texture, so it isn't smooth as glass, but the base coats were. But that'll be fine. It's underneath. Who's going to see it? So, you know, and whoever does see it, they're not going to go around trying to touch it or feel it or anything like that. So anyhow, so there's where gray-haired guy's shop is. The gray-haired old guys. It's kind of funny. Anyhow, I'll let y'all go. Thank you for watching the video. Like if you want. I don't, you know, it's up to you. So this is going to be a long project. So we figure this is going to be another month before we have the new floor in. Anyhow, I'll let y'all go. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.